Do you have more than one TikTok account and want to stay logged into both at the same time? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to log into multiple TikTok accounts on one device and easily switch between them. Now let's get started. To sign into an additional TikTok account, go to your TikTok profile page. Then tap your display name at the top. Tap Add Account. At the bottom, tap Login. Then sign into your additional TikTok account. If you set up your account with one of these partner login options, you can sign in through Facebook, Apple ID, Google, Twitter, or Instagram. Otherwise, select Use Phone, Email, or Username. Enter your username and password, then tap Login. After that, both your original account and your additional account will be logged into your TikTok app. To switch between them, go to your profile and tap your display name. In the pop-up menu, you can choose which account you want to switch to. Note that currently, the maximum number of profiles you can be logged into on one device is 5. That's all it takes to log into multiple TikTok accounts and switch between them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.